Bifen or Talik can be used around flower beds and garden perimeters with careful, targeted application to protect plants from insect pests while minimizing plant exposure. Both Bifen and Talik are pyrethroid-based insecticides formulated for perimeter and landscape use and are effective against a broad range of chewing and crawling insects when applied correctly. Apply as a light broadcast or spot spray to soil surfaces, mulched areas, and the outer stems of ornamental plantings rather than a heavy overhead spray. Start by testing on a small, inconspicuous area of sensitive plants and wait 24 to 48 hours to check for phytotoxicity before treating large areas. Avoid direct applications to edible crops, flowering plants that attract pollinators, and newly planted or stressed specimens because these are more likely to suffer damage or unintended exposure. Use handheld sprayers with adjustable nozzles and low pressure settings to control droplet size and reduce drift, and consider using a shield or cardboard to block spray when working near desirable foliage. Always read and follow the label steps on mixing rates, application intervals, and buffer distances to hardscape and water features to stay within legal and safe use parameters. Common mistakes include spraying directly onto blooms or edible plants, which can harm pollinators and contaminate produce. The simple fix is to treat only soil and non-flowering foliage and rinse any accidentally sprayed produce before consumption. Another frequent error is over-application or using higher than recommended rates thinking it will increase control. That often causes plant injury and environmental runoff, so measure carefully, follow label rates, and limit frequency. Finally, people sometimes apply without checking weather and end up with drift or wash-off from rain. Check the forecast and choose calm, dry hours, and avoid treating before expected heavy rain. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can advise on safe landscape, pest control, and make targeted applications. We also provide a discussion community where we share practical experiences, ask questions, and find contractors or work in our local networks.